Go from the 7. Hawks right up on the football. Washington stays in the game. Green.
Look back at 5 Smith. Show me back 10-8.
Show.
Fort Smith.
14 what?
Got some guy on a dirt bike trying to run from me. We're here. He's going back eastbound to Casey's on Rogers. It's a white male, white shirt, black shorts, black dirt bike. He's getting back on Rogers Avenue.
10-4, 10-37.
Yeah, I guess I am. We're back westbound on Rogers Avenue, heading into Fort Smith.
10-4, Rogers, westbound.
84, 10-4.
And we're going down Phoenix.
10-4, down Phoenix.
And going down Massard.
Down Massard.
Going in the hideaway.
Hideaway.
Coming through Aldi, going back out onto 0 for Phoenix.
10-4, going on to Phoenix.
And now he's at Jiffy Lube parking lot. He doesn't have anywhere to go. I don't know what he's doing.
10-4, Jiffy Lube parking lot.
Back on Massard. Going back towards Rogers.
Massard towards Rogers.
And continuing through Rogers, still on Massard. Turning into back of Walmart.
Turning into Walmart.
Then right now we're going back down Massard, going back towards Rogers.
Back down Massard towards Rogers.
He's going into oncoming traffic now. Or do you want me to stop him?
10-4, oncoming traffic.
Back on to Rogers, going towards Barling.
Rogers towards Barling.
You're good.
He wrecked out here in front of Walmart. Now he's on foot, running, going into the ditch.
10-4, wrecked out on foot, running towards the ditch.
He's in this creek right here.
Report 10 all units.
Can you see if somebody from Barling or Fort Smith can come help me?
10-4, Barling and Sebastian are headed that way.
Here at the entrance to Walmart on Rogers and Massard.
1341's en route. I'm getting on here. Same here on 40.
You may have somebody stop at that Casey's on Rogers as soon as you come in from Barling.
Hey, he's over there!
Oh, I guess he crossed the creek. Went underneath the Rogers. Somebody just told me. He's at the car wash on Massard.
Car wash on Massard.
Yeah, clothing description.
White male, white shirt, black shorts.
He was trying to meet somebody at that Casey's on Rogers Avenue. They were in a silver Chevy pickup truck. Just need to make sure they don't double back and pick him up.
10-4. With age 14, Marlene 8 should be coming up to you shortly if she's already there.
Yeah, I see her. You see if we get somebody with a dog too.
10-4.
Dumpster. Right around the dumpsters.
They're telling me he's in these dumpsters over here. River Valley Family Dentistry. These dumpsters over here beside the car wash.
Age 14. Portsmouth City received a call with a line slow. It's behind 8411 Phoenix.
I don't know what business that is. What is that? Did you see which way he went?
Unless he walked away, I looked down to see 911.
Okay.
PD has a couple units headed that way as well.
Apparently he's taking his clothes off, so. Did you see which way he went? He just...
I looked down, he was right around here, and I looked down and dialed 911. I looked up, and must have gotten here, I guess.
Okay.
I haven't seen this guy saw him too.
This way? Which way? That way? Where is 8411 at Portsmouth?
That's going to be the River Valley Dental Center, I believe. You're there.
Okay. Got a bunch of people out here. Nice, kind Samaritan helping me too. So.
10-4. You should be having Portsmouth units there shortly.
That car wash right there across the hall.
Hey, come here. Come right here.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie, I'm hurt bad. I'm hurt bad.
You ain't hurt that bad.
No, my collar.
Oh, that stinks. 10-15.
10-4, 10-15.
Bro, it's up. It'll be 10-15. I'll give you location in a moment. My collar.
What?
My collar.
Which collar?
The one that you're pushing on, sir.
10-4 all units.
No, it's me, bro. I made a dumb decision. I don't got nothing.
Why are you running?
Bro, I got scared. I'm not from here. I just moved here yesterday.
So you run from the police?
Dumbass,
You run from the police in a place you don't know?
I know, bro. I'm so sorry, bro. It's not you. It's me. It's me. I made a dumb decision.
I know it ain't me.
Yeah. I was scared. I just got scared. I thought you was going to take my bike, and I just got here yesterday.
You made a felony of decision. You realize that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You know what probably would have happened?
No, sir.
I would have checked you out, be like, hey, don't be doing that. We would have went on our way.
Moved here, bro.
All right. You go ahead
I think my collar's broken.
EMS and have him checked out. His bike is literally right over there, the entrance.
Okay.
So, if one of y'all can. Appreciate y'all coming. Thank you. Thanks for helping. His shoulder blade. Collarbone.
I didn't have nothing on me besides my phone.
Well, you can ride it. That's for sure.
Nah, I suck.
All the way up till you crash.
That was the 5th time I ever rode. Not that good. And I don't know why the fuck I ran, bro. I'm so stupid, bro.
I don't know why you ran either.
I'm so stupid.
Who are you?
I'm Tyler McKinney. Tyler McKinney.
At Arkansas?
I was born here.
Where's your ID?
I don't have it.
Like out of Arkansas, Oklahoma, where?
Oh, it's out of Kentucky.
What's your date of birth?
09/19/2003.
Okay.
Hey, y'all don't have water or anything?
No! Looks like you already went through the water anyways.
Yeah.